Do you have problems in your life? If so, please don't stress yourself too much. Hi, my name is Veldon Lim and you are watching Relationship. Shift your relationships, change your life. Today I would like to teach you on how to deal and relate with your problems, because I believe if you have a healthy relationship with your problems, you will in turn have a healthy relationship with yourself, and therefore it can result into more happiness, more joy, and more peace in your life. Ngayon po, nandito ako sa isang convention center dito sa Kalibo. Katatapos ko lang magbigay ng talk to over 700 students here. And alam nyo po, itong sikreto, wala pa po akong tulog. Bakit? Kasi I missed my flight yesterday. In fact, this is related to my video that I posted yesterday. Nung na-delay yung flight namin, actually it turned out to be a blessing in disguise. Yung co-speaker ko na dapat malilate, nakaabot siya. And ang tuwang-tuwa kami, it was a miracle. I made a video blog about it. And hindi namin napansin, habang nagvi-video ako, tinatawag na pala yung pangalan namin for final boarding call. And so after ko mag-play ng video, sabi ko, parang ang tagal naman, bakit hindi pa tayo tinatawag? I went to the ground stewardess and asked them, sabi ko, bakit miss, wala pa yung boarding kami? Kanina pa kami naghihintay. Biglang sabi nung ground stewardess, ay sir, kayo ba yun? Kayo ba si John Veldon Lim tsaka si Wina Cortez? Kanina pa po namin kayo tinatawag. In fact, 3 beses na nga po . So kami talaga, OMG, patay. So nagtinginan kaming ganyan. Alam nyo, what's wonderful about this is that natawa na lang kami. Kasi tinanong ko siya, narinig mo? Sabi niya, hindi. Tinanong niya ako, narinig mo? Sabi ko, hindi rin. Hindi namin narinig. So na-miss namin yung flight. Nakakatawa. But you know what? The wonderful thing about this is that we had peace in our heart kahit na ang laki ng problema namin. Sabi namin, gawan na lang natin paraan. So we ended up booking a flight to Iloilo. Halos midnight na kami nakarating sa Iloilo, and then we took a midnight bus trip for 3 hours to Kalibo. And ngayon, sa awa ng Diyos, na iraos naman namin, nakapag-talk kami, people were blessed, and buhay pa naman kami. And so, our problem was solved. And the good thing about this is hindi kami masyadong na-stress. Why am I sharing this to you, my dear friends? Because I believe many people are stressing themselves too much because of their problems. Why? Because sometimes we cannot differentiate between the two. First, we cannot differentiate between problems that we should solve and the problems that we should surrender to God. Alam nyo, may mga bagay na kailangan nating gawan ng paraan. Katulad nun, hanap kami ng flight na mabubuk. At may mga bagay na hindi natin kayang kontrolin. Wala na tayong magagawa. Katulad ng di na namin pwedeng pabalikin yung eroplano. So anong gagawin namin? Gawa na lang ibang paraan, tawa na lang, and then surrender it to the hands of God. My dear friends, meron ka bang problema? Kasi baka you're stressing yourself too much. Alam mo, may mga bagay na hindi mo kayang solusyonan. And yung mga hindi mo kayang solusyonan, give it to the hands of God. But those that you can solve, do your best. The rest, surrender it to the Lord. After all, yung mga bagay na hindi natin kayang solusyonan, si Lord, kayang-kaya niya. Do your best, surrender to God, and kapag hindi ka pa nakontento, edi tawanan mo na lang, at least hindi ka pa na-stress. And you will live a happier, healthier, more joyful, and more peaceful life. This is Veldon Lim for Relationship. See you tomorrow. God bless you.